Looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect your car and record every drive with crystal clear quality? Then this video is for you. Modern dash cams now offer 4K recording, STARVIS 2 night vision sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, GPS tracking, and even full 360-degree coverage. But with so many options available, choosing the right dash cam can be confusing. So in this video, I'll show you the top 5 best dash cams in 2026 based on video quality, night vision performance, smart features, reliability, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N5S 4-channel dash cam. Starting at number 5, we have the Vantrue N5S 4-channel dash cam. This system features full 360-degree recording with 4 cameras, including front, rear, and inside cabin coverage. It supports 2.7K front recording, along with multiple 1080p and 1440p channels, STARVIS 2 night vision, Wi-Fi, voice control, dual GPS, and up to 1 terabyte storage support. This is one of the most advanced dash cams on the list for full vehicle protection. The 4-channel setup is perfect for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, or users who want complete recording coverage. The STARVIS 2 sensors dramatically improve nighttime recording quality, making license plates and road details easier to capture in low light. Voice control works well for hands-free operation, and the buffered parking mode adds extra security while the car is parked. Pros: full 360-degree 4-channel recording, excellent STARVIS 2 night vision, voice control and dual GPS support, large storage support up to 1 terabyte. Best for users who want maximum recording coverage and premium safety features. Number 2. Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam. At number 4, we have the Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam. This model features a 12-inch smart rear-view mirror display, 4K front recording, rear backup camera, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, parking assistance, and night vision support. This dash cam is perfect for drivers who prefer a clean factory-style setup. The large mirror display replaces your standard rear-view mirror while adding advanced recording and backup camera functions. The rear camera improves parking visibility, especially for larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks. Video quality is sharp during the day, and the mirror interface feels modern and responsive. Pros: large 12-inch mirror display, integrated backup camera system, clean and modern installation, Wi-Fi and GPS support. Best for users who want a smart mirror-style dash cam with backup camera functionality. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. Coming in at number 3, we have the REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. It features 4K front and rear recording, STARVIS 2 sensor technology, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS, touchscreen display, parking mode, and includes a free 128GB memory card. This dashcam delivers a very balanced premium experience. The STARVIS 2 sensor provides excellent low-light performance, while the touchscreen makes navigation easy and modern. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi significantly improves download speed when transferring videos to your phone. Voice control also adds convenience while driving, allowing hands-free commands. Pros: excellent STARVIS 2 night vision, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi transfer speeds, touchscreen interface, free 128GB card included. A great all-around premium dashcam with excellent image quality and modern smart features. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NP Dashcam. At number 2, we have the REDTIGER F7NP Dashcam. It includes 4K front and rear recording, STARVIS 2 sensor, GPS tracking, 170-degree wide-angle lens, 24-hour parking mode, and high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. This dashcam focuses heavily on recording quality and reliability. The 170-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road, helping reduce blind spots in recordings. Night vision performance is excellent thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, and the 24-hour parking mode adds extra security while parked. The app connectivity is also smooth and responsive. Pros: wide 170-degree recording angle, excellent low-light recording, reliable parking mode, fast wireless transfers. best for users who prioritize recording quality and reliability over extra display features. Number 5. Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam. This model features 4K front and rear recording, STARVIS 2 sensor technology, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, 24-hour parking mode, a 3-inch IPS display, and includes a free 128GB memory card. This is one of the best overall dashcams available in 2026. It combines excellent recording quality, strong night vision, fast wireless connectivity, and simple operation into one reliable package. The STARVIS 2 sensor helps produce sharp footage during both day and night driving, while the 5G Wi-Fi allows fast video downloads through the mobile app. The included 128GB card is also a nice bonus, saving additional setup costs. So that was the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. If you want full vehicle coverage, the Vantrue N5S is the top choice. If you prefer a smart mirror setup, the Wolfbox G840S is a great option. And if you want the best overall balance of quality and features, the Rove R2 4K Dual stands out as the winner. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.